Hello home buyers, welcome to the channel that will transform your understanding of the property market. I am Omkar, your guide through the captivating world of real estate. Whether you are a first time home buyer, a seasoned investor, or simply passionate about properties, this channel is tailored just for you. But wait, who am I? I am a lifelong lover of real estate and I have built this channel to share my passion and knowledge with you. With years of experience in the industry, countless property visits, and a never ending thirst for the latest trends, I am here to ensure you make the most informed decision of your home buying journey. From breathtaking luxury homes to cozy starter houses, we will navigate the diverse landscape of real estate together. Whether you are seeking guidance on buying, selling, or investing, this channel is jam packed with tips, tricks, and invaluable insights. Feeling overwhelmed by the complexities of the market? Don't worry, I have got you covered. I'll break down complicated concepts into bite sized, easy to understand nuggets. No jargon or confusing terminologies here, just straightforward explanation that will empower you to make informed decisions. Alongside our educational content, we will also indulge in some delightful virtual property tours, all from the comfort of your screen. Get ready for a channel that is not just about transactions but also about creating a community of like-minded individuals who share the same excitement for real estate. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you are never left out of the loop. With happy homes, prepare to elevate your home buying experience like never before. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.